Black initially targeted theatergoers in Times Square with his nut shops, expanding rapidly to 17 locations due to overwhelming demand. His strategic positioning played a crucial role in this early success. During the Great Depression, Black adapted his business model by transforming his nut shops into lunch counters that served coffee and unique sandwiches. This significant shift helped him retain customers who were facing financial challenges. In the 1950s, Black upheld his commitment to quality by refusing to compromise coffee standards for lower prices, effectively distinguishing his brand from competitors. This resolute decision solidified his reputation for premium products. Black named his coffee after his shops, reinforcing a strong brand identity that significantly contributed to its popularity among New Yorkers. This cohesive branding strategy kept the essence of his business intact. Adding to the brand's legacy, baseball legend Jackie Robinson joined Chock full of nuts as vice president, enhancing the company's image through his remarkable sports legacy and influence. A memorable jingle, based on a popular song and featuring Black's wife as the singer, played a pivotal role in the brand's advertising success, further embedding it into the cultural fabric of the time. By the 1970s, retail coffee sales surpassed those of restaurants, leading to the gradual closure of Black's lunch counters. This marked a substantial shift in the company's business model and consumer preferences. After several changes in ownership, the brand was sold to Massimo Zanetti Beverage USA in 2005, aiming to revitalize its legacy and expand its coffee offerings in a competitive market. In the 2000s, the company took proactive steps to reassure customers with nut allergies by clearly labeling its coffee as No Nuts 100% Coffee. This critical move fostered consumer trust and ensured product safety.